Class 5, Chapter 5, Community Services. Children, you know human beings are social. Human are social. They live together in a society. Human beings live together in a society. So human beings live together in a company of their fellow being in village, town, cities. Human beings live together. Where they live together? In the village, town, cities. So member of a community, here community means society. Community means society. Member of community live in harmony with together, work for the benefit of one another. The people, the member of the community, the people of the society, they live in harmony and they work for the benefit of one and another. And what they provide? They provide support to each other in the time of emergency. And community living help in building of peaceful society. Now you just see here, in community what happened? The people live in harmony. The people live in harmony and they work for benefit. They work for benefits of one another. Benefits of one another. And also the people support each other. What they do? They support each other in the time of emergency. And what community living helps? It helps in building of peaceful society. So now see, what is community services? What is community service? So community service is the help. What is it? It is help. Community service is help or assistance. Assistance means help here, huh? Community service is a help or assistance that benefits the community. So community service is a help or assistance that benefits the whole community. So children, what is community service? Community service is help or assistance that benefits the community. It is the help that benefits the community. Like for example, assisting the elderly people. Assisting the elderly people. Assisting the elders. Here assist means help or go with. It means assist means help or go with. Or you can say to give a hand. Help or to give a hand, to go with means assist. So example of community service is assisting the elders. Yeah, participating in the neighborhood watch plan. Neighborhood watch plan you have learned in the previous chapter. Neighborhood watch program that you have already learned in the previous chapter. So you can do the community service by assisting the elders, by participating in neighborhood watch plan, by the beautification of the locality, and by giving services as a part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. You can also participate in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. In this way, we can do our community service. To become the part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, it is also community service. Now, see the example of community service: assisting the elders and participating in the neighborhood watch program, then participating in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So these are the sort of community service. What is community service? help or assistance that benefits the community. Help that benefits the community. And you see children, many people contribute to the community service program by giving donation, by donating money or their services. Why they do this? It gives them pleasure and satisfaction. You know, many people give money and food to the beggar, but do you think it is good practice? No, this is not a good practice. So it is important to train the beggars, the poor, for some craft skill so that they can work to earn money, like making toys, paper bags, etc. Now see, what is community service? Community service is a help. Community service is help or assistance that benefits the community. Listen again. Community service is help or assistance that benefits the community. Example: assisting the elderly. Example: assisting the elderly. Then participating in neighborhood watch program. Then next is participating in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Next one example you can give over here: beautification of the locality. Beautification of the locality. How can we work for the beautification of the locality? By planting trees, flowering plant, by cleaning the locality, we can do this. So these are the way by which we can do our community service. And some people also donates money as a community service. Now let's talk about community service in older times. Community service has always been an important part of Indian history and culture. People in the older time also, people help the poor. What the people do? The people help the poor. The people help the poor. How? With money. With money, clothes, food, shelter, etc. Now you see, community service in older time. In older time, in Indian history and Indian culture, it was our culture. It was the culture of Indian to help the poor. How the people help the poor? By giving them money, clothes, food and shelter. And the people also look after the sick. In this way, the people used to do community service in the older time. Now think about it. How what was the community service in older time? So in older time, the people help the poor. Whom they help? They help the poor with money, clothes, food, shelter, or looked after the sick. Listen again. Community service has always been an important part of Indian history and culture. The people help the poor with money, clothes, food, shelter, and also look after the sick. So children, community service is not new for us. We practice it from the ancient time also. Now you see, in the early time, in the ancient time, the kings, what the king had done? The kings also have took many projects for the benefits of the common people, like helping the travelers. How they help the travelers? Like helping the travelers. And how they do this? By planting trees on the roadside. Planting trees on the roadside so that the traveler could get shelter there and to relieve from the heat. And then also digging well, to provide water to the community, digging wells. So these sort of community service were given by the king. What the king had done? The king helped the travelers. How they help the travelers? By planting trees on the roadside, and so that it will provide some shelter to the travelers, and digging well to provide water to the people. So the king at that time also had done community service. Now look again, the community service in the older time. In the older time, the common people used to help the poor. How they help the poor? By giving money, by giving clothes, by giving food, by giving shelter. The common people help the poor. How? By giving them money, clothes, food and shelter in the older time also. Now the king, in the ancient time, the king also do many sort of community service, and it took up many projects for the benefit of the common people, like helping the travelers, planting trees, digging wells. Why the king do this? They dig well, plant tree on the roadside for the comfort of the travelers. You have heard the name Ashoka. Ashoka was a great ruler, and he understood the importance of the good road for the progress of trade as well as pilgrims. So what the Ashoka has done? He arranged to construct rest house beside the road, and then dig well, plant trees on the roadside for the comfort of the travelers. Have you heard the name of Sher Shah Suri? Sher Shah Suri, he had also done this sort of things. Now see the comfort of travelers. Comfort of travelers. In older time, most of the travelers were pilgrim. Why the people used to travel? For pilgrims. They were messengers, they were soldiers, and they were merchants. So they had to face many hardship on their journey, as there were no shelter, no road, and mean of transport or arrangement of food and water, just like we have in these days. So there were not that facilities available at that time. So the kings constructed Dharamshala Sarai. Dharamshala Sarai means rest house. The king constructed rest house for their comfort. For whom comfort? For the comfort of the travelers. They provide shelter, safety from the rough weather and wild animal. Now listen again. For the comfort of the traveler. Who were the travelers? The pilgrims. The people used to travel for pilgrim. The pilgrims, the messengers, the soldiers, the merchant, they used to travel. And due to their journey, they used to face many problems. As why? Because at those days there were no hotels, no guest house, no restaurant, and the mean of transport were also not developed. The road were also not developed. So these travelers, they had to face many problems, because there were no shelters like today we have the guest house, hotels. The roads were also not too much compatible. The mean of transport were also not developed, and there was lack of arrangement for food, because no hotels were there. Water, there were problem of water also. So the king constructed Dharamshala Sarai. Dharamshala Sarai means rest house. Sarai means rest house. The kings used to construct rest house. Why? For the comfort. For the comfort of whom? For the comfort of the travelers. And they provide shelter, safety. The rest house provides shelter and safety to the travelers from the rough weather. Maybe it's heavy rain, maybe it's too hot, it's too cold. So the rest house provides shelter and safety to the travelers from the rough weather and also from the wild animal. Now note down your today's homework. Today's homework is, what is community service? What is community service? Question number 2. What type of community service can you volunteer for? What is community service? And this question you will have to learn. You will have to learn. Homework is to learn the answer. Just listen. What is community service? So community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. Listen again. Community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. You have to learn the definition of community service. Second question is, what type of community service can you volunteer for? So you can be a part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, or you can assist the elder people, you can participate in the neighborhood watch program, and you can be participate in the beautification of the locality. But the best answer that I will suggest you to be part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. You will learn here, I will volunteer for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Listen again. What is community service? Community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. Next, what type of community service can you volunteer for? I can volunteer for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So this is your homework. You will have to learn this.